Hey guys, welcome back to How to Daily. And in this video, I will show you top 3 Websim AI prompts to build a great clothing brand. Alright, let's begin. For brand identity and target audience, use this prompt. Generate ideas for creating a unique brand identity for a new clothing line that targets eco-conscious millennials. Focus on sustainability, minimalist designs, and emphasize how to communicate brand values through marketing, social media, and product descriptions. For product design and innovation, use this prompt. Suggest innovative product ideas for a clothing brand focusing on sustainable fashion. Provide examples of materials, cutting-edge designs, and tech-driven clothing features that appeal to fashion-forward consumers. For marketing strategy and growth, use this prompt. Develop a step-by-step digital marketing strategy to launch a new streetwear clothing brand. Include ideas for social media campaigns, influencer partnerships, content creation, and how to use emerging platforms like TikTok for brand growth. And that's it, you are done.